Right now, let me show you how you can rename your USB drive on your Mac. So at first, we want to get inside the Finder. So either click on or open any folder in here or go to the Finder icon at the bottom in your dock. And the point is that you want to be in here, and in the left panel, in the sidebar, you'll be able to browse things like your favorites and locations, tags. And the point is that part of locations, if you expand it, should be the USB drive. For me, it is titled as 3. You can see this icon of external storage, and there's also the eject button so I can disconnect it if I wanted to. But now that I have it in here, I can click on it, right? Obviously get inside and so on, but I can right click on it as well and click on the rename 3, that's the current name, so I can rename it to something else and give it a completely different name. So that's fine, but if you don't see this menu or if you don't see locations in your Finder folder, then make sure to go to the top left portion of the screen, click on Finder and go to Settings in here. And this will let you change what appears in the sidebar. And we essentially want to make sure that locations are enabled. So as you can see, external hard disks or external disks, right? All of that has to be turned on because otherwise I don't even see the USB drive. So make sure that external disks are enabled and check so we can actually get there and rename it. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think below and let me know if it worked. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the future videos.